Yes, good morning, everyone. Sir, yesterday we started about token authentication and authentication and authorization. Authentication means the process of validating user is called as authentication. Authorization means the process of validating access permission is called as authorization. At the time of authentication, different classes are there. Basic authentication, session, token, JWT authentication, sir. Permission classes. Allow any is authenticated, is admin user, authenticated or read only, Django model permission or anon read only. In this first one, we completed token authentication is finished in our yesterday class. In that, there is one predefined application is there. The application name is authentication token for the token management purpose. You have to add one URL pattern in urls.py. So here URLs. We have to added one URL, and in the settings.py, we have to add a REST framework, auth token application, URLs. You can add one URL pattern. These two things are done. And one more thing, we provided two ways we are providing authentication. One is within the class, if I provided, that is called as local. If I want to setting the globally, go to the settings.py. I created a REST framework authentication classes. Two ways are we completed. One is local, second one is global. Up to here, finished. Now, next one. The permission classes, the first class is authenticated. Means yesterday we added this one. This is the views permission class. That is the first class is authenticated. So here only authenticated users can access the endpoint. That is registered users. Second one, allow anyone can allow this. Yesterday I'm given a simple example. Suppose here within this views.py, maybe there are multiple applications I created. Sorry, multiple CBVs are there. Here, first CBV, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Multiple CBVs I can implement it into a single file. You know how to do the global. In the settings.py, I can do the global setting. Then these all settings are applicable to all CBVs. But I want to give one CBV, allow anyone. Only this particular CBV internally go to the views.py. You have to give allow any. Then these global settings are applicable to all these CBVs except this one. In that case, we can go to the permission, allow anyone. I don't want to apply global settings. I want to override that settings into local file. Then I can go to the allow any. If multiple CBVs are endpoints are available, we set the global restriction to all endpoints. If any one endpoint I don't want restrict, we set global restriction to all endpoints. If any one endpoint I don't want restrict, then we can use allow any to that particular endpoint. Third one is admin user. Is admin. Admin only can do anything. Generally, there are every time we are creating py manage.py create super user. There are three types of users are there. One is super user. He is having all permissions. He can do anything. He can add, delete, put, patch, everything he can do. And he will create the users also. So one user will be created. He is the normal user only. But what is the admin means? For example, if you want to see the user table, start the server. D drive. Server is started. Copy the address. Go to admin. So here, Mahesh, Radhika, Sunny, three are there. Mahesh is the super user by creating the py create super user. I created this person super user. He can do anything. He can create users, delete users. By using Mahesh, token is also not required. He can get the data, put, patch everyone. But Radhika Sunny, these are two are normal users. How I can make it as if this person admin means here staff status is there. Once I'm given staff status as a true, okay. If I can make it as a this status as a true, then Mahesh is the super user, Sunny is the admin, Radhika is the normal. That is the difference. Because by using manage.py created, so Mahesh always super user only. But Mahesh can create users. In that users, all are normal users only. But I can make it as a manually, this is status as a staff status, I can make it as a true. Then Sunny will become as a admin. Radhika will become as a normal user only. So normal user won't do anything, only he can get the data only. Now, I want to give permission user as a staff status will become true. Then this user will become admin. So first user, I can give permission to admin. This permission will be given by super user. These are all the three types of users are there. Normal user, admin user. So now see this one. I will use simple example. Here, first of all, you can comment this global settings. Or else, if you're not commenting also, no problem. Local settings will be override views. What is the class name? Is admin user. Now, give this class to here. Is admin user. Save. Server is started. Go to the postman. Send the request. So that is the IP address. Send the request. Sorry, boss. Authentication credentials were not provided. Okay, fine. In the headers part, I have to give the key. What is the key? Authorization. I have to send the token. Now, token kavali kada. Go to the home table. Tokens. Sunny token I want to use. Copy the Sunny token and go to the postman, sir. Give the token. Once I click on send, am I getting the records or not? Yeah, now click this. We won't get any record. Sorry, boss. You don't have permission to this action. Even I submitted token, but no, because of the reason is you are using which class? So admins only can access. Sunny normal user, Radhika normal user, but you can use the this person token, Mahesh. Then what will happen? We will check. If not copied. Hey. Send this. Am I getting record or not? Super user can do anything, no problem. But only the restriction is Sunny. Send. Sorry, you don't have permission. Now I can make it as a Sunny as a admin, not super user. Super user not given permission. Only I can give admin permission to the Sunny. Go to users, click on Sunny. ఎక్కడో స్టాప్ ఇదిగోండి. Once I click on this tab status, whether the user can log into this admin site. By using Sunny credentials also, I can log in. But normal user login also not possible. Save. Save. I saved. Now Sunny will become what it is? Admin user. So now here, go to the postman. Previously it is telling Babu, you don't have any permission. Now click on send. Am I getting data or not? Yes, because of Sunny is the admin now. That's why we are getting the record. So now views.py, you have to provide you have to give permission class as is admin user. Then go to the postman. Without token, send the request. Send request with If I'm using this one, then again, no chance, because Radhika is the normal user, not able to access the data. Send request with super user token. Then we will get all records. As true. Then save. Sir, once is Sunny is the staff, can I change the data I'm accessing? For example, here, this is the employee table. 1, 2, 3, 3 employees are there. Sunny salary 12,000. Go to here, give the, is it Sunny token E56? Yeah. Get the data. I'm accessing data. Now go to one particular record. I want to make it as a patch. Go to the body. I want to give e-salary 12 kada 22,000. Click on send. Something goes wrong. I'm getting data. Oh no. Go to the patch. In views. We are using view set now. Model view set not required. Anything we have to do. Patch only. Header authorization. Asla Sunny token ena. Go to the home. Tokens. AE56. Correct kada? Correct. Once I am getting the record, I am getting record. Baane undi. We want to go to the patch. Go to body. E-salary. The value 18,000. Send the request. Not modifying. What will happen? You call this URL via patch, but the URL does not end in a slash. And you have append slash. Send. Yeah, that is the problem. Now it is changed. Slash is missing. Go to the employee. 18,000 will be changed. So see the server. The server, it should be telling I'm missing the slash. That is only the problem. So now Sunny staff status is true. Then save this. Send the request with Sunny token. As patch also we have to do. Change any one column. That is the is admin user. Suppose if you want to go to the admin panel, 3 users are there. Radhika, Sunny, and Mahesh 3 are there. I logged out here. See this. I log out. Yesterday we created login again. The username is Radhika. The password is Mahesh123. If I click on login was success or not success? Yesterday I created a user, Radhika. I entered Radhika name and password. Once I click on login, is it going to login page or not? Yes. Click this. Because it is normal user. If I go with Sunny, login will be happened. But what is they telling you? You don't have permission to view or edit anything. Only login is possible. Only super user can do anything. Now go to here, login. This person can do anything. Normal user cannot access admin interface. Admin just he can log in only. Can log into admin interface, but no permission to modify anything. Super user can do anything. That is the 3 users. Fourth permission class. So in yesterday Telegram, I uploaded course content, core and advanced detailed content. Just to go through that one in that how many topics, if you don't know, go to the material, just check that one. So our fourth class is Is authenticated or read only? Is authenticated or read only? For reading purpose, what is the command? Get. For write operations, post, put, yeah, patch, delete. For the get permission, anyone can get the data. That is the meaning of read only. Reading I can give permission to anyone. But if you want to do write operations, compulsory, this person should be authenticated. Then only give the permission. As I am telling now, one simple example, that is IRCTC. In IRCTC, if I want to see the train information, then authentication is not required. Register user not required. Anyone can see the train information. But if you want to book the ticket, compulsory registration is mandatory. Same like that, book my show also. If you want to see the movies information, anyone can see. If you want to book the ticket, authentication, something booking ticket, OTP, those things are there. Authentication is mandatory. At that time, I can go with is authenticated or read only permission. So go to the views.py, change the permission class, is authenticated read only. Save this, server restarted, go to the postman, delete the token, go to headers, token already there, I deleted. Once I send the get request, am I getting the data or not? Definitely. Get no restriction. Anyone can get the data. If I want to do the one patch, go to the patch, go to the body. First of all, 1 minute, first record. This is the details, Sunny details. Now I want to send the patch, go to body, give the eSal. Now 22,000, click on send. Sorry, boss, authentication credentials are compulsory. Get means anyone get the details. But authentication means here 3 users are there. Sunny is there, Radhika, Mahesh. Sunny is admin, Mahesh is super user, Radhika normal user. Can I use Radhika token? Then is it updated? Can I use the normal user token? Is it updated? Not updated. Authorization, give the token, send the request. Salary will be 22,000 updated because anyone can do. Here, no super user, nothing. Just it is asking authenticated or not, it is looking. Now check the table. Go to the employees. You're going to Sunny salary changes, not changes. Authentication means anyone, whether it is normal user, admin, or super, anyone. Token is mandatory. Anyone can changes. That is called as is authenticated or read only. So this is the permission class. Send request. Which request? Get request. Without token. No problem. We will get all records. Yeah, anything you can do. See, that is I'm telling now, post, put, patch, delete, anything you can do. But is authenticated person only can do anything. patch. If I send that is the is authenticated or read only permission. Fifth permission class. Django model permissions. When compared with all, this is the most powerful one. You have to full control to the endpoint. Sir, first of all, in the starting yesterday, we discussed, for example, here I am given first one is authenticated. Save, come this, headers, no tokens. Just I am not doing any modification, get request only. Yeah, I may get the data. Yes or no? Send the request. I may get the data. No. Because what is the class I am given? Is authenticated. And compulsory how to provide token must and should, even the get permission also. I'm not using this class. Is authenticated or read only means, okay, reading is possible. Changes are not possible. Actually, is authentication means if you want to access endpoint, must and should have to provide token. Otherwise, no chance. That is the first case. So, to access just endpoint, authentication must be required. That is nothing but a token. And any doubt? Next, to do the get permission, get access, authentication is enough. Modal permission are not required. What is this modal permission? Authentication means just now we know you can pass a token. Okay. So now any person that is either Radhika, not admin, anyone, if user should be authenticated or not. Okay. Go to here. Go to headers. Give the authorization, give the token. So here, give this, send. I'm getting details. I'm not using anywhere model permissions, just we are taking this one. So here I'm not talking about any model permissions, just I'm given authentication. As first of all, what is this model permission? I will explain now. Now, if I want to post, put, patch, delete. Compulsory in this case, authentication as well as model permission are required. ఏమైంది ఈ పోయిందా సో getting authentication is enough, model permission not required, but remaining operations sir post ki required add model permission, put ki patch, change model permission, delete ki delete model permission. ఇవి పర్మిషన్ క్లాసెస్. Okay, now see, change the permission class. Django model permissions, give this class. Okay, now my permission class is this one. I'm given Django model permissions. అయితే first of all, once I'm given this, not saved. Okay, save, go to the server. Server is started. Get request without token. If I'm deleting the token, definitely I'm not get the data. Sure. Here, send. Sorry, boss. Authentication credentials were not provided. So now, authorization. This I ought to give token. Go to there. Take the token. Come here. Paste it. Send. I'm getting all the details. Now observe carefully. Get what is required, only authentication required, model permission is not required. But same authenticated person, first record, okay, I want to get Sunny salary 22,000. I want to do the patch. I'm providing token, change salary, e-sal, 28,000. Is it changes, not changes? No, because something is required. What they are telling. So that's why I'm telling just now. If you want to do post put authentication, okay, you are valid person only token use there. Where is your model permission? You don't have any model permission. For the patch, which one class? Change model permission. Where we can change this means go to the backend admin panel, go to that users, which user, which token I'm using, Radhika, na? Go to the Radhika user. Scroll down. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ యూజర్ పర్మిషన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఎస్, ఇక్కడ సో మెనీ క్లాసెస్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఫర్ ఏ పర్టికులర్ యాక్షన్. ఇదిగోండి దీనికి ప్యాచ్ కి వాట్ ఇస్ ద క్లాస్? చేంజ్ మోడల్ పర్మిషన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్. సో గో టు ద బ్యాక్, చేంజ్ టెస్ట్ యాప్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఎక్కడో ఉంది. కెన్ యాడ్ గ్రూప్ పర్మిషన్. చేంజ్ మోడల్ పర్మిషన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది అది? యాడ్ యూజర్ టోకెన్. చేంజ్ డిలీట్ వ్యూ చేంజ్ ఇదిగోండి ఉందా? చేంజ్ ఎంప్లాయీ. అదేనా? ఇది సెషన్, కంటెంట్ టైప్, టోకెన్స్, గ్రూప్స్, పర్మిషన్స్, లాగ్ ఇంకా అదేలే ఉంది. సరే ఇదిగోండి చేంజ్ ఎంప్లాయీ. క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్ యాడ్. సో హీ కెన్ చేంజ్ ద ఎంప్లాయీ పర్మిషన్. కమ్ హియర్, సేవ్, go to the postman. Now patch e-salary 28,000. Send the request. Updated 28,000 successfully. Now go to the home tables employee. 28,000 will be there. Now same person, go to the postman, same ID. I want to get the delete. Can I send the request? Employee deleted, not deleted, because permission is required. This is the fully restricted. When compared with all, Django model classes is the best choice. So what to do now? Again, go to back there. Home, users, Radhika, come down. What we have to give? Delete employee. So I'm given two permissions to the Radhika. Changing, deleted. Click on arrow, it will come right side. Click the save. Now go to postman. Now send the request. Successfully employee will be gone. So that is the model permissions. Backend permissions also we have to provided. Sunny is not there. So only three classes. Which permission you want to give that user? That permission you can give. Add modeler, change modeler, delete modeler. This is the most powerful permission classes. Django model permission. Get request without token. We won't get the records. Authentication credentials were not provided because to get the records also token is mandatory. Send the get request with the token. Then you will get it. Now send the request for patch. With the token, even though it is not allowed. It is telling you don't have permission to perform this action. because model permission is required. Only today record share on the Telegram. So how to add the permission means go to the users table. Give user permission. Test app. Our model name is employee. Can change employee permission. Give that permission. Then send the patch record. Successfully updated. Send a delete request with the token. You are getting error. You don't have permission to perform this action. Even they were providing token also. Then send the delete request. Then it is okay. So last class, sixth one. The last class. Django model permission or anyone read only. So get no permission, anyone can read. Remaining actions compulsory permission is required. So give this class into the views.py. Save this. Server restarted. So for the get command, go to the headers. I'm removing the token body. Here also I removed all the content. Get method, send the request. Anyone can get the details. Permission is not required. No headers, no body, nothing. But if I want to do a single record I'm getting, I want to delete. Sorry, boss. No chance. Authentication credentials were not provided. That is the last class, permission class. Patch or delete anything. Adi Django permission classes, all those classes. So ఇవన్నీ predefined classes, all the six are is authenticated, LONE, is admin user, or else is authenticated at real only, Django model permissions all are. I want to do my own custom permissions. I want to do my custom permissions. Then you have to create your own class, any class name, XYZ permission. But there is one parent class is base permission class is there. Class name, anything you can give. This XYZ class name, you have to give in place of here. Then it is your own class. That permissions your wish, anything. So you have to write your own code. Whatever you want, you can provide it. This base permission, there is one predefined method is there. We have to override that method. Has underscore permission is the method. This one you have to override. Self comma request comma view. In that you have to write your own code. Mention that class name into your permission classes. Up to now, whatever classes I'm given, permission class equal to this one, All these are predefined, but this is my own class XYZ permission. That class you can mention, it will working. So my first example is, I want to allow my endpoint only safe methods. Whatever safe methods are there, get is the safe method. But where can I write this class? Where can I write? I'm creating class. ఎక్కడ రాయాలి? Views, models, forms, where we have to write this class? Views, very good. No. Take a new file. Permissions.py file in test app. How forms.py we are taking? Same thing. So now my first example, I want to allow only safe methods. Whatever safe methods are there, get, options, head, those are all the safe methods. This is my first example. Only get permission I want to give. So take the file, permissions.py file. This is my file name. Go to the here under test app you can create. Test app rest 4. ఇదే కదా. Right click, new file, permissions.py file. Now here from rest underscore framework, అది ఒకటి రాకపోతే ఏమి రావు. rest underscore framework import rest underscore framework dot permissions. In that base permission class is there. Now one more class is there. What it is? Safe methods. So predefined classes, these two, import that. Take your class. My class name I have to give only reading purpose is read only. Inside, what is the parent class? Base permission class. So this class name anything. I have to give here only get permission. That's why my class name is read only. Now def. What is the method name? Has permission. It contains 3 arguments. Ikkada you can read this. First argument self. Second one request. Third one view. So that is the predefined method. Parent class method. We are overriding self request view. Now inside I want to print which method you are calling. Request dot method. It is just console printing purpose, not mandatory. Now if request dot method in where safe methods return the true. So whatever safe methods is going in the safe methods, these methods are available already. What is the method? Get method is returned to that safe methods class. So return true. If it is not safe method, you have to return false. This is the class. Go to the server. Okay, done. Now come to here. This class I want to give to your views. Ikkada this class. Save. We will get something error. What it is? Import statement. What is the import statement here? From test app dot permissions import. What is the permission class name? Is read only. Now save. server is started. Once the server is started, get request, go to the postman, no token, nothing. I can go to the get request. Am I getting all the details? Send this. Am I getting records or not? Because of get permission I'm given. Ade, if you want to go with a single record, go to the delete, send. It is not safe method. Sorry, boss, no chance. If you want to go to the third one, patch. Now go to the body. First, what is the third record? Get that. Winnie, 17,000. Okay. I want to go to the patch, body, e-salary. I want to give 22,000. It is not in safe method. That's why it won't allowed. Sorry, authentication credentials were not provided. Because your permission class is read only. It will go to permissions. It is asking your method is safe method or not. Sir, what is the safe method? Get only safe method. That's why it is not allowed. That is the first example, permission.py. In the views.py from test app dot permissions import. The class name is read only. Permission class is read only. అవును 1 minute. ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చిన ఎర్ర ఏంటిది? ఇది కాదు కదా రావాల్సింది. Here it is asking authentication credentials were not provided. No, you don't have permission. Ante you have to send the with token compulsory because these authentication I can provide. Sorry, they want not you have to provide credentials, not permission. Sorry, this is not the message. Here compulsory you can send with the token. Go to home, tokens. Any one person, all are authenticated only. Admin or supervisor, no problem. Any one credentials you can give. Then delete the record. Now it is standing, sorry boss, you don't have permission to perform this action. Only you are getting permission possible. Remaining actions are no chance. Adi ravalsina error. You don't have permission. get request with the token. We will get records, send patch or delete request with token. కొట్టాడు దెబ్బ. ఇదిగోండి మనం ఎక్కడో వాడాం కదా ప్రీవియస్లీ ది స్టేట్మెంట్ ప్రింట్ రిక్వెస్ట్ డాట్ మెథడ్ అంటే విచ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ సెండింగ్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రింటింగ్ గెట్ రిక్వెస్ట్, డిలీట్, గెట్, ప్యాచ్, delete, get, delete. Whenever using delete, forbidden, patch, unauthorized person you are a. Only get ki, okay, success code 200. That's a printed that one. Which method you are calling? Request dot method. Now, my second example, I want to allow get and patch. Two permissions I want to give the users. Any user, if you're authenticated user, I want to allow how to provide get to and patch. Two permissions I want to give. If you're authenticated person, two permissions I will give. How to give. But get a safe method, patch a not safe method. What to do? Oh, you are telling request dot method and ikkada. In this place, you are telling. Okay. Even well appudu equal to na get or patch. Request dot method equal to get or patch. మళ్ళీ అగైన్ రిక్వెస్ట్ డాట్ మెథడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ప్యాచ్. సరే చూడండి, I want to give to the user, authenticated user, get and patch methods. Two methods I want to give the permission at that time. Completed this one. నువ్వు రాయట్లేదు, నువ్వు అంటున్నావా? నేను బుక్ అయిపోయిందా? ఒకటే పేజ్ ఉందా? అడుగుదాంలో ఎవరన్నా 2 పేజీలు ఇస్తారు. Yeah, get also compulsory authorized. Sir, now observe carefully. Go to the permissions, okay? Take one more class. My class name is get or patch. And I have to give in two permissions, get ki, patch ki. What is the base class? Base permission. What is the method you have to override? has underscore permission. Inside first argument is self, request, comma, view. Inside, yeah. Now I have to allow two methods. Okay, now previously safe methods is the predefined class. Now I have to define my own methods. Allowed methods. Which methods you want to give the permission? Get key, comma, patch key. Two methods I am given. Now you have to write same code here. If request dot method in instead of safe methods, which methods? Allowed methods. Then completed. Then it will take permission. It is checking if request is get a patch. Then only it is allowed. Otherwise, no. Go to the views. Now is read or patch. Copy this class name. Give here. Save. Now ఇప్పుడు go to the server. Okay, fine. ఇప్పుడు get కి patch కి you have permission. Okay, done. Third record. Go to here. I'm provided token. Authorized person. Get is okay. Allowed. Winnie salary 17,000. Now patch. Go to body. Salary 22,000. You are allowed to patch. No problem. Record is updated successfully. Go to this home employees. Third record, Winnie salary changes. Delete the record of Winnie. Sorry, boss, you don't have permission. Delete. You are authorized only. Authorization is there. Token is there. But delete permission is not there. You don't have permission to perform this action. Only have permission get and patch. అక్కడ ఏమని పేరు అన్ని సరే ఇక్కడ 3 users are there. సన్నీ, రాధిక, మహేష్. రాధికలో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి లెటర్స్? 7 ఉన్నాయి. సెట్ అవ్వదు. మహేష్లో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 6 ఉన్నాయి. సన్నీ 5. నేమ్ చేంజ్ అవుద్దా? రాధిక. RADH. లిల్లీ కూడా 5 ఉన్నాయిగా. ఇక్కడ 7 ఉన్నాయి. లిల్లీ 4. LILY 4 letters. Okay. Sir, now my third example, my conditions are, if the name is Sunny and a request came from the Sunny user, then allow all methods. If the name is Sunny, allow all methods, get, put, patch, delete, all methods you have to allow. And my second condition is, if the name is not Sunny, maybe another name, Lily, Mahesh, 2 people are there. In the 2 people whose name contains only even number of characters, then allow only safe methods, and the get method only have to give the permission. If the name is not Sunny, and one more condition, if the name contains even number of characters, then all safe methods. Safe method means only get. The odd number అయితే అసలు don't give any permission. That's why I'm telling. Sunny means allow all methods. If it is not Sunny, you can check the name. 2 users are there, Mahesh and Lily. Lily, how many characters are there? 4. So if the request came from Lily, you can only get permission. Put, patch, delete, no. Mahesh, how many characters are there? 6. So give the get permission. If any name with odd number of characters, also don't give any permission. Get also not allowed. That is the restrictions. How to do? Not allowed to perform any operation. So if those 2 satisfied, then only you can give the permission. Otherwise, no. ఎక్కడ Python program only here, simple Python logic only. First to read the user. Who is the user? Sunny na, Lily na, Mahesha. If it is Sunny, allow all. Not Sunny, Mahesh, how many characters are there? Lily, how many characters are there? Katrina, how many characters are there? Even characters aithe, you can use safe method. Odd characters aithe, don't give any permission. Okay. Permissions.py. How to get the username? Who is sending the request? I want to identify. Here 3 persons are there. Who is sending request? Mahesha, Sannina, Lillina. How to get that name? Request dot get of username. So go to the permissions class. Take one more class, sir. Is Sunny permission. Parent class is base permission. Now, overriding method is has underscore permission. Inside self request view. Now, request dot user dot, I can send a username. Who is getting the name? It will be stored to the username. Now I'm getting the name of the user. Now we have to check the name is Sanya. No. How to check? If username dot convert to the lower case, because if any starting letter capitals are there, I converted. Equal to, if it is yes, and you can return true. Means it can allow all the permissions. No. What is the second condition? Username not Sunny. Username not equal to empty. And I'm passing something. Lily no, Radhika no, Mahesh or something I'm passing. Not equal to empty. And I can identify length. Length of username percentage to equal to percentage to equal to 0. Next, one more condition. What the request they are sending? Only safe methods. So, and request dot method, yeah, in safe methods. Once all conditions are satisfied, then only you can return true. Return spelling going there. Return true. Now, else, what to do? Return false. Condition satisfied. If name is Sunny, all values, no, name not equal to empty. And some name is there. Length divided with 2. It is given there. Request dot method, this one. Copy. Go to the views. Here, import. Give the class. Save. Go to the server. Server is okay, fine. Now, first Sunny. You have to take the Sunny token, sir. Sunny can get all permissions. Go to the tokens table. Sunny. This is the Sunny token. Copy. Come to Postman. Instead of this, give Sunny. First, get permission. Send this. I'm getting record 22,000. Okay, fine. Patch. Go to the body. E-salary 2,200. Send. Updated successfully. Go to there. Now employees updated. Now Sunny having every permission. Delete. Come here. Delete. Send. Data gone. Deleted. So 4 IDs are there. Now second one, even characters only get method only. Lily 4 characters are there. So go to the table. Take the user. Tokens kada. Tokens. Take the Lily token. So name not equal to empty. I am passing some user. Okay. Here. Go to the headers. Change the token. You can change with Lily. Now 3 లేదు కాబట్టి 2 ఉందా 2 4 కదా యా go to the get permission is allowed to the Lily. By default, suppose you have to change salary, Lily salary 22,000. You have to go to the patch, click on send. Sorry boss, you don't have permission because Lily 4 characters are there. That's why it is get permission. Patch, delete, not possible. You don't have permission. అక్కడ 7 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఏమీ లేదు. నేమ్ క్రియేట్ విత్ 7 నెంబర్స్ వన్ యూజర్, జనరేట్ ద టోకెన్ అండ్ సెండ్ గెట్ రిక్వెస్ట్. గెట్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆల్సో నాట్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as our custom permissions. This is the last one. This is the our conditions. Name is Sunny, then allow. Not Sunny, even number of characters, then allow safe methods. Because not equal to empty means something name I can provide it, na? That's why. So that is the permission classes token authentication. Sorry, bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue. Today recording. I will try.